1. Butterfly the chicken breasts, cover with plastic wrap, and pound the fillets with a meat tenderizer. 2. Arrange all of the chicken breasts on top of the plastic wrap as shown in the video. 3. Cut the orange in half. Remove the pulp with a spoon and place it in a sieve, and squeeze the juice into a saucepan. Add the honey, paprika, salt, and pepper to the pot, and let simmer. 4. Brush the marinade over the chicken breasts, and place the ham and cheese slices on top. 5. Place a wooden spoon at the end of the meat and use it to help you roll everything up. 6. Wrap 16 slices of bacon around the meat roll and place the 2 orange peels from step number 3 on either side of the wooden spoon. 7. Place 4 forks on the grill as shown in the video, place the meat roll on top, and cook for 45 minutes, making sure to regularly rotate the roll. Crispy bacon, juicy chicken, melted cheese, and a hint of orange, nobody will be able to resist this mouth-watering dish.